Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about cars, performance, and luxury machines like this one, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an exciting review. When you think of luxury SUVs, one name instantly comes to mind, the Mercedes G. But when you take that iconic G63 and hand it over to Brabus, you get something that's not just a carrots, a statement. The Mercedes G63 Brabus is the ultimate combination of rugged, almost military-style presence with an insane level of luxury and performance that will leave anyone staring as you drive by. From the very first glance, the G63 Brabus makes a bold impression. Its boxy silhouette, which has barely changed over decades, is instantly recognizable. But Brabus adds subtle tweaks that make it feel even more aggressive. Look closely, and you'll notice the wider fender flares, custom front bumper, and a reimagined grille that just screams power. Every angle of this car has been designed to make you feel like you're looking at something truly special. Even the wheels are massive, often 23 inches, with a design that perfectly matches the overall bold aesthetic. Step inside, and the experience is almost shocking because the moment you open the door, you realize this is as much a luxury lounge as it is a performance SUV. Brabus doesn't just tweak the engine, they reinvent the cabin. High-quality leathers, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trims, and even hand-stitched details greet you at every turn. There's more tech here than you could reasonably need. Large infotainment screens, premium sound systems, and customizable ambient lighting that makes night drives feel cinematic. And yet, the G63 Brabus doesn't feel overly complicated. The controls remain intuitive, letting you enjoy the experience rather than get lost in it. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The stock G63 comes with a twin-turbo V8, but Brabus doesn't stop there. With performance upgrades, this SUV can easily push over 700 horsepower. That translates into acceleration that's shocking for a vehicle that weighs nearly 2.5 tons. The engine growl alone is enough to give goosebumps. But combine that with the enhanced exhaust system, and every drive feels like a performance event. Brabus also upgrades the suspension and braking systems to match the engine's insane capabilities, making it surprisingly agile for something so large. No problem, the GI Class DNA ensures it can climb, crawl, or cruise on almost any terrain. Though most owners will likely enjoy it on city streets and highways, the driving experience is a fascinating mix of contradictions. It's raw, yet refined, aggressive, yet smooth. Push the accelerator, and the G63 Brabus leaps forward with authority. The tires gripping the road with confidence, but slow it down, and the cabin offers near-perfect comfort, every bump softened, every sound insulated, giving you that feeling of floating in your own private cocoon. What really sets the G63 Brabus apart, though, is its presence. You can't help but notice it. People stare, cameras flash, and there's a sense of respect, sometimes envy, when you're behind the wheel. Brabus has taken an already iconic vehicle and amplified its personality to an almost superhero level. Every design element, every technical tweak, serves one purpose: to make you feel like you're commanding more than just a car. You're commanding attention. Of course, this level of exclusivity comes at a price, and it's not just financial. Owning a G63 Brabus means embracing a lifestyle, one that's loud, bold, and unapologetic. But for those who crave a vehicle that combines brute strength, unmatched luxury, and show-stopping design, there's really nothing else like it. So whether you're drawn to it for its engine, its design, or the sheer statement it makes when it rolls past, the Mercedes G63 Brabus is more than an SUV. It's a performance machine, a luxury sanctuary, and a rolling piece of automotive art, all at once. And when you drive it, you don't just move from point A to point B. You command every eye on the street, every road you take, and every moment in between. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.